What's up, family? I have a new information regarding some extra money for some Americans. Legislation was just passed and we have anywhere between $1,250 up to $2,500 being approved for some individuals. We are seeing more and more states offering their own version of a stimulus relief check to their citizens. We are just waiting for Congress to approve of a federal level stimulus check. But anyways, I love to see this because states are still holding on to millions of dollars provided through the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, but we are still not seeing enough money being released on a state level. But of course, states have until the end of 2024 to spend that money, or else they could lose it altogether. But anyways, guys, hey, before we move any further, be so kind and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you could, hit the like button for us because it really helps out this channel as well. So anyways, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, real quick before we go ahead and talk about the stimulus checks, I do want to go ahead and mention about the tornadoes, the deadly tornadoes that touched down in the state of Mississippi. Yes, guys, so far we are reporting that around 26 deaths have been reported because of these tornadoes. And so far, guys, the Biden administration has declared a state of emergency. Guys, you can see right here that the Mississippi tornado, Biden declares emergency after the storm kills 26 people in this particular region, guys. And as you can see, guys, it has pretty much terrorized this particular local city. And yes, guys, this is a devastating tornado, guys, and we definitely want to keep those individuals in our prayers during this particular time, guys. Tornadoes are not a thing to play with, as well as hurricanes and other things that on that particular nature. But anyways, guys, this was definitely devastating. And guys, I have a video that I want to show you from this particular meteorologist in which he was on air live during this landing of this tornado, guys. And he pretty much takes a stand and says a quick prayer for these particular individuals in this particular area, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look at this.
Oh man, like north side of Amory, this is coming in. Oh man. Dear Jesus, please help them. Amen. Okay.
Guys, as you can see, he was even terrorized, and he gives this type of news all the time. But anyways, guys, that just shows how terrorizing this particular large tornado that was on the ground, and it was headed towards this particular city. I believe it's called Amory. But anyways, guys, like I said, definitely keep those individuals in our prayers, those who have lost loved ones, as well as those who have lost their homes, their cars, their vehicles, and all of those things like that, guys. We definitely don't want to see any type of tragedy like this on the American people, especially as we already have American people in this country struggling as it is with the high inflation, the increase in prices and things like that. So we definitely want to take a time to say a prayer and keep all of those individuals in our prayers in the meantime. And then, guys, in addition to that, we know that the American Red Cross is lending a helping hand to those individuals during this particular disaster relief efforts. And also, guys, just in case you are interested in trying to provide any type of support as you can, I definitely have a website right here that says that this is how you can donate to the storm victims in Mississippi. Now, I won't go ahead and read all of this, but I will go ahead and list out these particular things that they are in need of as of now: canned foods, baby diapers, wipes, toiletries, paper towels, tissues, toilet paper, as well as bottled water. Also, they are saying that the following items are being requested for the storm victims as well, such as water, manual can openers, plastic food containers, Ziploc bags, baby supplies, personal care, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, brush, deodorant, pet food, pet carriers, leash collars, cleaning supplies, laundry detergent, and many other things as well, guys. The list goes on and on, guys. So whatever you can, look for a particular place to be able to donate this. There are a lot of places out there that are accepting donations, as well as you can reach out to the Red Cross as well as the, I believe, the Salvation Army, guys. So those are just a few of approved companies or organizations that are definitely taking donations for those individuals in Mississippi, as well as Goodwill Donation Center as well, guys. So definitely take the time, say a prayer, and donate what you can, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to these particular stimulus checks, because this is a huge amount of stimulus relief checks that is pretty much being offered in one particular state. And yes, guys, we are talking about those particular individuals in the state of Montana. And as you can see right here, guys, that this is a $1 billion tax rebate. And yes, guys, this is going to be including in the 2 different spending packages that has now been approved and headed towards the governor's desk for his signature. Yes, guys, it says right here that the GOP-backed bundle would mean the $2,000 plus in income and property tax rebates for many homeowners in Montana. And as you can see, guys, this particular site is calling it extra cash, extra cash, extra cash. You could soon be getting a check for $1,250 from the state of Montana. And guys, let me just go ahead and read this information to you. Yes, Montana Senate has approved of some tax rebates up to $1,250. Now, this is in regards to 2 different bills that was on the table that went for a vote and ended up passing, surprisingly. And this is definitely some good news, guys. And yes, this is 2 major tax and spending bills that are now headed to the governor's desk for his signature. And yes, guys, the first particular bill that was on the table is called the House Bill 222. And yes, this would actually put around $284 million towards property tax rebate checks of as much as $1,000 for Montana homeowners and $500 for taxes paid in each year between 2022 and 2023. Now, the Montana Department of Revenue estimates that this is going to be going out to around 312,000 households, and they would be actually eligible to receive these particular homeowner stimulus checks. Again, that is for the first bill, which is called the House Bill 222. Now, for the second bill, it is called the House Bill 192. And yes, this particular bill would spend around $480 million on income tax rebates of up to $1,250 per taxpayer, or $2,500 for spouses who file their taxes jointly with their spouses. And yes, guys, the Revenue Department estimates that these particular rebates would be available to around 460,000 taxpayers who were full-time Montana residents between the years of 2020 and 2021. So again, those are the 2 bills that was on the table that ended up passing, and now they are just waiting for the governor to sign these particular bills into law, in which these particular homeowners in the state of Montana can expect to receive stimulus checks between the amounts of $1,250 all the way up to $2,500. So again, guys, this is awesome. And like I said earlier in the video, this is great to see because we already know that all of these states, 50 states, are sitting on millions of dollars that was approved from the American Rescue Plan Act that was signed by President Biden. And again, they are sitting on millions of dollars in which states have decided that they are not going to do anything with that stimulus money right now. They are just trying to wait and see on a later date to see how they can actually spend that money within their respective state. But then again, some states are doing the opposite of that, and they are trying to figure out how they can help their citizens right now who are in need, who are struggling right now, especially as we enter into this particular recession. These particular states are finding out exactly how they can use that money right now to provide to its citizens to help them out during these economic times. So I am definitely excited to see this type of action being taken by the state legislation. So again, guys, like I said, Montana is expected to receive some of these tax rebates, these homeowner tax rebates or property tax rebates sometime very soon. Now, so far, we don't have an estimated date of arrival of these particular stimulus rebate checks. Then they are going to decide how they want to distribute this money directly to the citizens in the state of Montana. So again, guys, kudos to you if you live in Montana. Me personally, I have never met anyone that lives in Montana, but if you do live there, comment down below and let me know so that I can at least say that I know at least one person living in the state of Montana. So again, guys, hey, I hope this information was helpful to you today on this video. Well, anyways, guys, hey, that's all I have for you today, but feel free to check out some of the items down below if you want to try and support this channel. I would really appreciate it. There are also some opportunities for you to receive things like 12 free stocks from Webull that could be worth up to $3,000, and all you have to do is deposit $1. In addition to that, you can sign up for the Amazon Prime membership and get it for 30 days for free. If you are interested in any of those particular things, hey, you can check out the links down below in the description. But anyways, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.